Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are literally just gonna live in this thunderstorm for some reason. Ah! What happened to the light source? Oh no, I'm gonna be in trouble. Oh no, oh no, no. Alright, so I created these crafts. Wow, that is so cool. Let me just get this box. I crafted an airplane. Wow. An app. Downloading stuff. Wow, I'm gonna download every single package on the little package store. Okay, let me see. Up 2D. It doesn't do anything. This is rigged. This is so rigged. Maybe I could do skin care 3D. Oh wait, it does work. Oh, what's this? A package? What is that? What's a package? It's probably what you think that it's probably. What? The package? You like me? In a toy store? No. You let me. Alright. I don't know what happens here, but I got this like really cool app, and there's this really cool app where you can do promo codes and stuff. Whoa, you should try it out. Let me just put it on my hair. Oh, it looks so goofy. Wait, what? Ah! Alright, so this is literally linked to the products. Where is this very cool app I got? Where's the very cool app I got? Oh, that's right here. So let's try this one. Let's try. Whoa, do you have a turn? Can I have a turn? Yeah. Alright, and type Coco Laka Coco Calcutta. A big package. Let's. OMG, is that? But I'm just gonna do this. And look at this wheelchair. It looks so big. Let me just replace the old one for now. Bye-bye. It looks so good. It looks so good for some reason. Right, you next. Alright. I'm just gonna type Gogger Leggy. Wait, what's this? OMG, is that a... Wait, is that? Wait, it's just baby stuff. They lied about the product. I thought it was supposed to be for me, this size. Who wants to try it on? Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna choose you. Because why not? You haven't got a turn in a million years. Looks so cute. Yeah, I'm cute. I'm just gonna change you back because you put on your shoes. What am I doing? Hey. Alright, so this is another product. Let me just pull it here because... Alright, who wants to go? Me! Okay, booby. Okay. I'm gonna type Scary Babies 2.0. Whoa, let me just check. Is that size for me? This is so cool. They even got shirts. And they also even got this cool headphone. Let me just put that back because I don't want my mom to get photomatized. Let me just put this on because it's my favorite gift. Anyways, who wants to go next? You? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna type Yogi 2000 subscriber TV. Okay, let's see what that happens. Wow, did you buy pizza box? Is that a tomato squishy? It's 1 million. Oh wait, we didn't reach 1 million. This is actually just a fake copy version, but whatever. Look guys, we finally reached 1 million subscribers even though we did it in real life. Even though that's really fair. Even though it isn't. Pizza! Let me see this. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this out of the way. Let me just... This is outfit number 1. Wow, it looks so cool. Anyways, here's the best. Okay, the best one. Okay, the strongest one. The greatest one. It is actually number 2. Whoa, you look so cool. I wish I had that outfit. See? I told you. I'm just gonna put this in my room, even though it isn't. This is my turn now because all of you have a turn. So let's do cochlear implants 2. Day. Huh? Oh, it worked. I worked. It worked. Finally. We can finally do this. Anyways, I'm just gonna open it up. They have earphones. This is outfits. Look at this D. And today, we're going to pause it because we are going to show you some free codes. Choco. Chalk. Choco chalk. if you type choco cock, you can do this. Here's the outfit. I have the same clothes. This code is so cool that it easily makes me eyes cry. It's actually 100% real, but edited. But guys, do not try them out, or else they'll be fake forever. Yeah.
Ale no dobrze, tak na wspominam o tym, że przez 2 zł mega łamali.
Nie.
Na ekranie monster, gdzieś to na górę.
This is the coolest style ever. This is so all blue style. And if you consider it to be false or true, please tell me in the comments, because all of this was fake for some reason, but edited. But that's okay, because the last one was cringe, but not gonna lie, it's kind of fun. It looks so cute if you would have it. So sadly, this is the last promo code. I'll give you out more fake promo codes for some reason.